சரிம்மா கவனிங்க நாம okay ma listen we have been covering insert menu under MS Word. Insert menu we have covered up to 50%, almost half of it. Okay, online video, hyperlink, bookmark, up to cross reference we have covered up to cross reference. And there is a feature called comment. There is a feature called comment. This comment will not be printed normally, will not appear in the printed version of a document. Whereas this is for communicating your ideas regarding corrections to be made in the document. There may be some mistake. You may comment upon the mistakes. It's normally done by a person reviewing the document. Reviewing the document. You are a student, you have a guide. You may send your document to your guide. The guide will not change the document, whereas only indicate the corrections to be made by you. These are called comments. What are they called? They are called comments. Now equals rand 3 5. I create some paragraphs, random paragraphs. Okay, then I think that this can be changed. Cover page needs a change. I select this cover page, whereas this is not my document. This document was given to me by somebody who wants a correction. I can insert a comment, and this appears here. I would have shown you this. Some of you may have created this comment without knowing it. While inserting equation or while inserting symbol, somebody would have inserted the comment. I say that consider changing this to title page. It's a suggestion. Comment is not a correction. It is a suggestion for making correction. It is a suggestion for making corrections. When this document is sent back, the receiver will be able to look at the comments, then act accordingly. Based on the comments, the receiver can change the document. What are they called? They are comments. What are they? Comments. Okay. You can remove comment. Not here. Maybe comments can be removed from review menu. You can go to review, show comments, and then you click upon show comments. Again, you cannot switch off comments from the insert menu. You can switch off comments from review menu. When you press show comments, it is displayed. When you press show comments again, it is hidden. Comments are hidden. Okay. Now we go to insert menu again. Our business is with insert menu alone. Okay. Now header, footer, and page number. You can set your own header. You know how to do this. We have created magazine pages, books, and other documents with header and footer. You can use any type of header apart from the blank header we normally use. You can use any style for your header. COPA document. The text is hidden. Now I say COPA document in the header portion. Every page will carry this header. Then if I wish to insert a footer, we have normally inserted only what? Designless footers, whereas you can insert footers which are more beautiful, themed, styled, and Austin blended. There may be several footers. You may scroll down. I don't have time. I will simply choose anything. Odd page or even page. Just document subtitle. Okay. Footer can be inserted by you. Headers and footers are already known to you. And you know how to insert page number and how to format page number. You know all these things. You can go to format page number and then choose the type or the style for the page numbers. Then starting page number. Started 5, 20, 50. Then you press OK normally. Now I press cancel. Then you can insert this page number in the document wherever you wish. Bottom of page, plain number. This was the style we have already used. Whereas you can go and use some other style. Accent. Page 1, page. Ah, wow. Cancel, cancel. Okay, ma. Then we know how to use header, footer, and page numbers. Header, footer, page numbers, and comments. Then, what are the new items we have covered now? Comments, headers, footers, page number. Comments, header, footer, page number. Okay. Then we have text box, word art. All these are available. Text box. We already know how to insert a text box and type the text. We have used it from shapes, and there are several styled text boxes. You may choose any style for the text box as you wish. Then quick parts. Quick parts relate to the document, the author, name of the author, title, document title, date of creation, hours of editing. All these things are covered under quick parts, parts of a document. A document can have a title, author name, page number. All these are considered the parts of a document. Okay, then document property. You just look at this abstract, author, category, comments, company address, email. All these things are document elements. You can choose to insert any one. Whereas we have not set any title or anything. Therefore, nothing will appear when we insert a title or author name. Maybe author name is given as COPA because we have registered this MS Office version with the name COPA. Therefore, any document you create will carry the author name of COPA. Then, now this is called quick parts. This is called quick parts. And then I come out, and word art is a special type of text in which you can have some styles, some text styles. COPA. Have you used word art? We have used it for certificate, creation of certificate. Certificate creation used word art for formatting the text. And then I can insert a drop cap. Insert a drop cap in this paragraph. You have to be in a paragraph in order to invoke drop cap. Go to insert menu. Then you get a drop cap and then choose the drop cap. See what happened. T has grown for a large height. It has been covered. It has been a single line text. T was previously a single line text. Now it covers three subsequent lines. Okay. This, what is this? Drop cap. This is called drop cap. Then signature line, your own name. You can insert a signature or your own name. Signature line only means your own name, author name. Okay. What is the signer name? Suggested signer. COPA. COPA. Suggested signer's title. Miss. Suggested signer's email address. COPA GATAW at gmail.com. Allow signer to add comments in sign dialog. Okay. Now you will get a signers in the second page. You have got signed by COPA. Signed by COPA. This is the signature for the author. Signature is for the author's name to appear. And you can insert today's date in the document. If at all you wish to insert today's date, you can go to date and time. It will insert today's date in several formats. You have already seen it in MS Excel. We know how to format the date. Whereas using the same format, you can insert date, insert the date, the document, the date on which the document was created or edited or anything else. Objects, we don't wish to explore all this. Objects can be anything. It can be audio, video, or anything else entering into the document. You just look at this. These are called OLE. These are called OLE. OLE stands for object linking and embedding. OLE. OLE stands for object linking and embedding. This is important. OLE. What is the full form for OLE? Can you repeat? Object linking and embedding. This object will link any other document or object. OLE stands for object linking and embedding. Object linking and embedding. Then we have our familiar items. These are symbols and equations. We have already used symbols and equations. Any symbol you wish to insert is available under the symbols menu. You can insert symbols, or you can go to more symbols to see all the available list of symbols. These are the symbols available under MS Word, and then you may insert an equation. If you wish, you just press equation, then insert new equation. Then you can format the equation. E equals, it's slow. Insert equation, and then I press E equals m c square. I wish to say c square, whereas I'll go to script, choose square or the superscript. Wait, it takes a bit of time to appear. The first one should be the superscript. What is this E equals mc square? Anybody remembers this? Does anyone remember this? Oh, word has closed. Windows are being word. Madam, you don't have any reason to be happy. I'll finish only after inserting an equation. Your happiness is unfounded. I open Word again. I insert one equation. We already know how to insert equations. We have already used equations in practical. Okay. Now I simply do this for the sake of theory. I go to insert. I choose equation. I choose new equation. Insert new equation. Then I type E equals m, and then I go to script. The first one is superscript. It takes a long time for it to get updated. First one is superscript, and then c square. This is the famous equation, and it is attributed to Albert Einstein. Mass energy equivalence equation. Mass. M is the mass, c is the velocity of light, and we are unrelated to all these things. Okay. E equals mc square is the famous equation. Okay. It relates the mass of an object with the velocity of light. Okay. Done. With this, we say goodbye to insert menu. Insert menu under bin. Okay. We close it. Close the theory class. Go to MC.